Hi all and welcome to the fifth video of AZ900 Microsoft Azure Fundamental Series. My name is Amit Kumar and I am Microsoft Certified Azure Solution Architect. In this and next couple of video of the series, we will be looking into core resources available in Azure. In this video, I'll discuss Azure Compute Services, which includes virtual machines, Azure App Services, Azure Container Instances (ACI), Azure Kubernetes Service (AKS), and Windows Virtual Desktop. Firstly, what is virtual machines? Virtual machines or VMs are software emulations of physical computers. They include a virtual processor, memory, storage, and networking resources. They host an operating system, and you are able to install and run a software just like a physical computer. Then, by using a remote desktop client, you can use and control the virtual machine exactly same as your desktop computer. Now, Azure Virtual Machines let you create and use virtual machines in the cloud. It is an example of infrastructure as a service. Just like a physical computer, you can customize all of the software running on the Azure Virtual Machine. You can create and provision a VM in minutes when you select a pre-configured VM image. Selecting an image is one of the most important decisions you will make when creating a VM. An image is a template used to create a VM. These templates already includes an OS and often other software like development tools or web hosting environments. Azure App Service is a platform as a service PaaS offering in Azure that is designed to host enterprise-grade web-oriented applications. You can meet rigorous performance, scalability, security, and compliance requirement while using a fully managed platform. Azure App Service enable you to build and host web apps, background jobs, mobile backends, and RESTful APIs in the programming language of your choice without managing infrastructure. It offers auto-scaling and high availability support both Windows and Linux and enable automated deployment from GitHub, Azure DevOps or any Git repo to support a continuous deployment model. So this platform as a service allow you to focus on the website and API logic while Azure takes care of the infrastructure to run and scale your web applications. With app service, you pay for the Azure compute resources your app uses while it processes requests based on the app service plan you choose. The app service plan determines how much hardware is devoted to your host. For example, whether it's a dedicated or shared hardware and how much memory is reserved for it. There is even a free tier you can use to host small low traffic sites. Azure Container Instances offers the fastest and simplest way to run a container in Azure. You don't have to manage any virtual machines or configure any additional services. It is a PaaS offering that allows you to upload your containers and execute them directly with an automatic elastic scale. Orchestration is the task of automating, managing, and interacting with a large number of containers. Azure Kubernetes Service (AKS) is a complete orchestration service for containers with distributed architectures. It is a managed Kubernetes service in which the master node is managed by Azure and end user manages worker nodes. Users can use AKS to deploy, scale, and manage Docker containers and container-based applications across a cluster of container hosts. As a managed Kubernetes service, AKS is free. You only pay for the worker nodes within your clusters, not for the masters. You can create an AKS clusters in the Azure portal with the Azure CLI or template-driven deployment options such as Resource Manager templates and Terraform. Windows Virtual Desktop is a desktop and app virtualization service that runs on the cloud. WVD includes centralized management and monitoring. System administrators can quickly deploy and manage desktops, apps, and Windows servers in the Azure cloud. WVD helps businesses seamlessly scale their virtualization requirement while benefiting from the top of the line security features on Azure along with the cost benefit of its subscription based model. With WVD, users can enjoy a richer virtualization experience for accessing hosted applications when compared to the existing Windows server-based remote desktop services platform that leverages Microsoft partner community support for similar situations. Let's look at this sample question. Your company plans to migrate all its data and resources to Azure. The company's migration plan states that only platform as a service PaaS solutions must be used in Azure. You need to deploy an Azure environment that meets the company's migration plan. So proposed solution is you create an Azure App Service and Azure virtual machine that have Microsoft SQL Server installed. Does this meet the goal? Options are yes or no. So the answer of this question is no, because Azure virtual machines are the infrastructure as a service offering of Microsoft Azure. But question state that you can only use platform as a service solution. So that's why the correct answer is no for this question. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your feedback in the comments and subscribe our channel to get the notifications for our new videos. In the next video of AZ900 Azure Fundamental series, I am going to discuss Azure Networking Services, which includes virtual networks, VPN gateway, virtual network peering, express route, load balancer, and application gateway.